we're going to document all the cameras in Dad's display cases and cabinets and shelves so we have an idea where they're located and what's inside. This we're going to call Cabinet 1. Working from what corner of the house would this be, Dad? This is the living room.
Southeast corner.
Southeast corner of the house. And we open up the glass door so we can see the contents. What about this camera here, Dad?
Well, it's an old camera from England. If it's a 4x5 plate or 5x7 plate camera, and it has a unique built-in curtain shutter. As you see, the pull down for the shutter is right here, just like a curtain. And
beautiful wood construction.
Yeah, it's in good condition for a camera of its age. Probably 1900 or maybe a little sooner.
More cameras.
Some old photographs.
Quite a display.
There's an album there of round pictures that were taken by an original Eastman Kodak camera. The very first one was one that made round pictures like that.
Wow.
And there's a family album there. How that ever got out of their hands, I don't know, but it did.
Beautiful display.
My uncle in Wenatchee, and it was his father's camera who used it to photograph the Indian schools over there.
Which camera is that, Dad?
I think it's the one you're looking at right now.
The one in the bottom here.
I think so. I have to check the records.
Wow.
But it had some film in there that was exposed in the early 1900s. And so I thought, well, what the heck? Why don't I develop it and see if there was anything still on the negative. I have 4 or 5 of them, so I thought, well, we'll try one first and see. Had no idea how long to soup it, as we say, how long to develop it. So I did the first one, and it was totally black. So that was no good at all. So I tried the second one, and it had a start of an image on it. So then I knew which direction to go to process the very last ones, which turned out to be good pictures of an old house and my uncle's grandmother. Wow. So it was quite a thrill to take the film from a camera that old and had been in a shed in Wenatchee for all those years and still have been able to get a picture out of it.
That must have been an amazing moment for you.
Yeah, it certainly was, yeah. Put the film back in the camera. Pull aside. It's ready to go.
This is cabinet 2 in the living room. Glass doors open so you can better see the cameras. Some SLRs up here on top. And there's some, slide projectors here.
Very early children's projectors.
This is cabinet 3 in Dad's bedroom.
You want to be in that picture too?
Chock full of cameras and accessories. Mostly SLRs.
Oh, don't bite. No, don't bite Papa. No, we don't bite the Papa. No. I got bit by my own cat.
Oh. Pickles, what's the problem? Are you a little upset about all this? Huh?
You better be a better kitty, or you'll get blistered.
Vintage 1925. Yeah. Now, at what point does that become antique, Dad?
It's already antique. It's beyond antique.
This is display cabinet 4 in the guest bedroom. Mostly contains cameras and some photographic supplies. Processing tanks, trays, collapsible cameras, some old photographic darkroom supplies, and some box cameras. This is Dad's office camera display. Lots of displays here and shelves. We'll start from the entrance going clockwise. The display cabinet next to the entrance of Dad's office is cabinet 5. I opened the glass doors so you can see the cameras better without glare on the glass. This is the shelves in the closet space in Dad's office. Some large format cameras. Quite a collection here. This is cabinet 6 in Dad's office. This is cabinet 7 in Dad's office. There are a few cameras here on this bookshelf and tabletop. Still in Dad's office. This is cabinet 8 in Dad's office. That's all.
Thank goodness for
Yeah.
that. Yeah.